Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to be showing you just a random video because I'm going to be unboxing my external hard drive soon after I get enough money to get it. I'm going to show you how to completely dismantle a nail clipper. So what you need to do is you have to pull this up, the part where you squeeze down usually, this part right here, pull it up, and then squeeze on this part right here. You squeeze it, and then that part falls down, and then once you're like that, there's a little hook right and then if you can see the hook, it's right there, and then you just pull it forward, and you have to squeeze it sometimes a little bit harder. So then squeeze it harder, and then it pops out, and then this comes out. So that comes out right there, and that's like this. So then these two pieces are not on there anymore. So now this is all that's left. That piece is not able to come off the part where you pull the stuff out of your finger. And now this is how you get it back on. You have to put the part where the hook is. Let me just focus that. You put the hook right through up this way. And you have to make sure that it's facing this way, and then you squeeze it back so that the hook is showing. You just turn it a little bit. See the hook right there? And now you have to put this circle there. I have to make sure that that is going to be there. So then you push that in there, like that. You squeeze it, and then it clips on. And now it's back on there. And then you close it. Thank you for watching this really random video. It's just to test the quality of my webcam, because I usually use the webcam for audio, for recording my voice for screen captures. So I can't find my video camera right now, so I'm going to be using the webcam for when I do my unboxing of my external hard drive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.